Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be a Papergang by O'Dear unboxing, and this one is a very special one as it's my last one. This one is my 6th and last box. I only got a 6-month subscription just for like a taste of what Papergang by O'Dear is all about. And yes, so the last one, my last one, is this one. This one is space themed as it was pushed back because of lockdown and the virus and everything, and this is based upon Neil Armstrong's birthday. That's why it is space themed and it's very pretty. So if we open it up, it's the same on the top, how Papergang works, and for every 4 boxes they sell, they plant 1 tree. So the first thing you get in this box is a metallic pin badge, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it looks like this. Very nice. Next thing is this notebook. It's that themed. That's the theme of the book, and it's got the words Deep Thoughts on it in silver, and it's that kind of material, whatever that material is. And it's very nice. It's also got this, you can pick the book up, really bright green bookmark thing. If you open it up, it's got a mint green inside with this planner belongs to name, phone and email, so you put your details down there. And on the inside it's got this squared paper, so pixel art or something, and the lines are pink, the pages are white, and in the top left and the bottom right it's got these stars. And it's quite a chunky notebook as well. It's just the cardboard to the next thing. There is also 4 sheets of stickers. There you go. And they are pretty much all the same. They just look like this. Helps if you can see them. I'm thinking about sticking one on the notebook, but I'm not too sure because it's that material. I might stick. Yeah, I'm not too sure yet of which one to stick on, but I might do. There's also a monthly planner. Not too sure what to use it for, but there's that. There's a card, galaxy themed, as you can see. Love you to the moon and back. I might give this to my partner, might not, because you know I really like the cards. And yeah, got this envelope with it as well. There's also this card as well, have an out of this world birthday, and again on the inside it's plain. And with that one you get a envelope. Yep. That's just to keep the sticker sheets together. Lastly, we've got some gift wrap, so to wrap presents in. Got quite a lot of it. Helps if I show it the right way. Or if it wants to focus. There we go. Quite a lot there. And the last thing in the box is the pamphlet, all about the box. So that on the front, contents page, all about the person who created it. This month's Out of This World box has been designed in-house by our very own Jack Carter, having already creating designs for 2 Papergang boxes. So it's a cosmic theme then. It's hard to do this box with one hand. So yeah, so questions about the box. How we came up with the themes. I'm liking that. Yeah, some more questions about the box. How they came up with the box. No, that's the pin banner. That's what it looks like. And you get the odd advert here and there. That's it.